Alright, next eBay scoops. eBay scoops. We're gonna do this one real quick, alright? There's all the information right there. Zip Master, 40 bucks. eBay scoops. Like and subscribe right now. There you go. Zippo to the Zappo. Zippo to the Zappo, my friends. Let me check this. Paperwork. Alright, yep, cool. Alright, no problem. Bam. So I got this one. Blue torch, hell yeah. Prime Frazetta Death Dealer, hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Okay, those are the boxes. Same size box. And I got this one. Yowza. Bad. Okay, so already seen one. I have one obviously. Frazetta on the top and Zippo on the bottom. The other one didn't have it like that, did it? Oh yeah, I think it did. Brand new, the price tag. Okay. So never been opened. Sealed, brand new, beautiful. This one will be my display piece, I guess, or well, it has that, so we'll see. And I don't know where the other one's at right now, actually. Oh, sick. I don't want to show my face too crazy, or my background, because this is super reflective. You can see everything. So that's pretty cool. And I don't know how to get this one out of there. There we go. Alright, I guess I'll get all of this out of here first and then lift this up. Sick. Bling. Bling. So that's what this is right here, and you fill it up with butane. So you upgrade this thing from a flame to a torch. Should go in there. Looks like it doesn't, but it will. And yeah, those are the scoops right there. eBay scoops. And I already have. I already have this one, but I didn't fill it up because I wanted to upgrade it. So now I got 3. And you just take this out. If I can. Ugh. Yeah, it's in the next one where give it a little jiggle. Be gentle, be kind to one another. Nah, yeah, for real. And then this goes there. Why does it look like it doesn't want to close? Does this have to be down? Shit, I almost broke my shit. And then that turns it off. This is the thing to turn it off right here, so you don't have to worry about the butane just running. Damn, this thing's beautiful now. So this is a double torch. I'm gonna put some butane in it. And yep. It'd be cool if the print was over here, but no, then the cap would get in the way. So you go. Yep. Sick. So there it is. I'll fill it up with this is the original. So I'll fill it up with butane, and we'll see how it works later. So stay scooped. Stay tuned for that. eBay scoops. Ridiculous. All right, I'll see you guys later.